In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to hide your friends list from everybody else on Facebook. Alright, with that said, let's begin. So open up the Facebook app, look at a meme, you don't have to do that. Now tap this menu icon, scroll down, tap settings and privacy, next tap privacy shortcuts. Now scroll down and then tap see more privacy settings. Alright, we're almost there, so just scroll down a bit and then here where it says who can see your friends list, tap it. For me it's set to friends, so all my friends will be able to see my friends list, and I believe the friends of my friends will be able to see my friend list as well, but I'm not really sure about that. So you, on the other hand, you can choose what you want. Obviously you want to hide it from everyone, that's why you're watching this video, so just tap see more and then tap only me. Now that it's shown you this blue symbol, it means that no one else will be able to see your friends list besides you. Right, so that's just about it. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Alright, bye bye.